Hello little friends, today we are learn A to Z and color name. Yellow color, peach pink color, black color, grey color, white color, purple color, dark green color, orange color, pink color, blue color, sky blue color, red color, brown color, light green color, pink color. A. A for ant. A for ant. Orange color. B. B for backpack. B for backpack. Dark green color. C. C for chair. C for chair. Brown color. D. D for doctor. D for doctor. Light green color. E. E for egg. E for egg. Peach pink color. F. F for frog. F for frog. Yellow color. G. G for gift box. G for gift box. Pink color. H. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. Orange color. I. I for ink. I for ink. Dark green color. J. J for jack. J for jack. Brown color. K. K for key. K for key. Light green color. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Peach pink color. M. M for milk. M for milk. Yellow color. N. N for nurse. N for nurse. Pink color. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Orange color. P. P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Dark green color. Q. Q for white. Q for white. Brown color. R. R for run. R for run. Light green color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Pink color. T. T for telephone. T for telephone. Yellow color. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Orange color. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Dark green color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Brown color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Light green color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. This pink color. Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Dark green color, gray color, brown color, pink color, blue color, white color, black color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, red color, yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blue color. 1. One. Light green color. 2. Orange color. 3 3 red color 4 4 yellow color 5 5 pink color 6 6 sky blue color 7 7 blue color 8 8 dark green color 9 9 purple color 10 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10